One is propagation of sound. How sound propagates in a medium. Now, as the vibrating body produces a sound, these sound waves travel from one point to another point by transferring energy to the neighboring particles. Now, you can see in this diagram, these sound waves are vibrating in the form of compressions and rarefactions. You can see here C which is mentioned is compression, where the air particles or the medium particles are vibrating, they are compressing, and energy is transferred to the neighboring particles here, and the particles which are close to the compressed particles are called as rarefaction, where the particles are not compressing, and again the energy is transferred to the neighboring particles. Again the particles will compress and transfer the energy. Likewise, the sound will propagate in the form of compressions and rarefactions. Now, if the sound waves, if it is represented on the graph, you can see here in this graph, the compressions are represented by the displacement made by the graph, and rarefaction which is represented by the lower portion of the wave. The upper portion of the wave is represented by compression and the lower portion is represented by the rarefaction. So, the sound propagates from one point to another point in the form of compression and rarefactions. As the sound waves vibrate in the direction of propagation, this type of sound waves are also called as longitudinal waves. Okay.